Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my box braids. By no means am I a professional at all. This is just how I do it, and I thought because I was almost done with it, let me show you how I do it. This is what I have left. So I was going to show you how I do my last two braids. So let's get started. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the axis here, like this. So I'm just going to trim that. I did this with all the other braids as well. You want to be careful not to cut your real hair. So you want to braid under so that your ends of your hair will be inside the braid. You just want to cut off the frizzy parts. And that's it. That's how I did my braids. Sometimes one is longer than the other. I like to do it like that because it looks more natural. Not every strand on your head. Like some of your hair is longer than the other side. I know for me it is. So I'm gonna go and get my hot water, my boiling water, and I'm gonna show you how I seal my hair to last for a while. Now I'm back. I got my water. I'm just using a Godiva cup from Christmas time. If you can see the steam, I just took it out of the kettle. I have a towel because when you do this process, the hot water does drip, so you want to catch it. So I'm going to show you how I do it with one of the braids. So you take the braids, you dip it in the water, and you hold it. So I just hold it up here for a while. I'm gonna say about a minute or two, because normally I do bunches, but because it's one single one, I'll do it for like 30 seconds. You want to get your towel ready so that when you do remove it, it's going to be like this. I remove it slowly so I can catch my hair in the towel so I don't burn myself. Now the hair is sealed in here so it won't come unraveled anymore. And that's what you want. You don't want your hair to come unraveled, because over time it does. Not even like, maybe if you used to go to bed tonight, it will start coming unraveled because it's not sealed, but now it is. And this is the difference between them. You see the ends are more loose on this side. This one is straight and it's less frizzy compared to the two. So now I'm going to show you again on this side, and then I'm going to do my whole head. But first I'm going to rebraid the end, and then I'm going to dip it in. So it's rebraided. Put it in another 30 seconds. You want to get your towel ready, move your hair out, and grab the hair. The hair is really hot because this is water straight from the kettle, like freshly boiled, so it is really hot, so you want to be careful not to burn yourself. So these are the two braids. And they look more neat than the rest of my hair. So now I'm going to do the rest of my hair. I'm just going to put these two braids up. I don't want them to get re-wet. There's nothing wrong with them being re-wet again. I just don't want them to get wet again. So I'm just going to put them up. Because people do wash their braids. I typically don't, because I don't leave my hair in long enough for me to wash them. So I'm going to do this patch of hair. My ends are not that bad that I need to rebraid them. Only if they get to a certain length, I will rebraid them again. So now I just dip them in. You want to be careful not to tip the cup towards your head because water will spill. And with the braids in it, it does raise the water higher, so you want to be very careful. You do not want to burn yourself because it will hurt a lot. So I'm getting my towel ready. All my hair is here. Some people fold their towel over and scrunch the hair to get all the excess water out. I don't. Some people re-dip their hair. I don't as well because my hair does not get wavy on the bottom. Sometimes when you dip the hair in, the hair does get wavy, but mine's don't. If you can see, it just curls to like how my body is or what I'm wearing at the time. And I'm gonna put, if you can tell, so these are the ones that's done compared to what's not done. There's a big difference. This is like more flat and sleek. This side is not. So I'm gonna finish my hair and I'll be back in a minute. So guys, this is the final look. I am completely done with sealing my ends. The hair comes down to about here. My shirt is wet because water. I'm gonna turn around so you can see how it looks. So guys, this is it. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with all your friends and let me know, did I do a good job? Please give me some tips on how I can do this better. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.